Refer to section 11 of the construction guide. In this video, we are going to install the mattress supports, parts H, onto the bed frame. The mattress support panels will create a level surface for the mattress. Any 1/4 inch thick paneling material is suitable, if it is not too heavy. We recommend plywood material. Start by sliding one mattress support panel onto the bed. It is a good idea to mark the location of the frame struts on the mattress support panel, so it will be easier to drive the screws later. Using a long ruler, mark the panels as shown here. Now slide the other mattress support panel onto the bed frame. Finish off marking the panel, where the struts are located. Notice the two panels are slightly overlapped in the center to make the marking easier. Using 1 1/4 inch long wood screws, drive them on the pencil lines, every 9 to 12 inches to secure the mattress support panels to the frame struts and the sides of the bed frame. Drive all screws flush. Continue driving the screws until both mattress support panels are mounted to the bed frame. The bed frame is now complete and ready for the mattress strap installation in section 12.